Go to that corner, please.
Why?
Use it to move to that corner, please.
Why?
You can tell I'm asking you. To that corner. This is a crime scene here.
Why? The tape is over there. The tape is over there. All right, guys, you see Babula.
You to go
Babula.
Come on. Come on, little boy. Come on.
Yeah, big boy.
Come on.
Yeah,
Come
Babula,
on,
the big
girl.
boy. I want to.
Let's go. Let's go.
Go ahead. Push me.
I'm going to give you 5 seconds to get on that corner. You're going to get
Push me.
arrested.
Look, I'm gonna. You live on Facebook.
Hey there.
You live on Facebook, pig. You are the biggest pig. Guys, this is Babula. Sergeant Joseph Babula. The big boy. The big boy. Yeah, I didn't get nothing from your attorney, bully. Shut up.
Nosotros llamamos a la policía.
Listen, we need to get out of here.
Hey, no.
Why are you touching me? Why are you touching
What's up, everybody? It's Danny from the Constitution State here today. I hope everybody's having a good day. Today's video comes from Not the End of Freedom. And it's crazy because most people believe that like police supervisors and these managers earn these spots and they deserve them. When in all reality, they're usually the first ones to show up acting like idiots and the biggest idiots on scene. And it's funny that all these lower rank officers didn't have a problem with him being there, knew he was doing nothing wrong, and then Fatty shows up and it's an issue. Even though the guy's standing behind the tape and not doing anything wrong, he comes down and bullies him all the way to the other side of the road, saying it's a crime scene. No, the crime scene's on the opposite side of the tape, you dummy. Throws a slew of insults at him, calls him a bitch, this, that. Like, this dude is truly pathetic. I shortened the video, so the full video will be linked in the description. Definitely go check it out. Definitely go show him some love. This failure is from the Hazleton PD.
Hello, everybody. We are here on 17th and Alter between Vine and Alter. According to witnesses, it was a shootout, drive-by shooting. And then we have all these officers here on 17th Street. We see a lot of shell casings over there.
We can go in here. We're gonna have to take a look around because I heard ricochets.
You see how many bullets were spread on this 17th Street. According to this gentleman here, it was a drive-by shooting. We have more officers on the other side, so I'm gonna go walk around. I'm on the other side.
The guy that was
I don't know over there.
I forgot the name, but I know him, and he had problem with my niece.
Okay.
The morning, the problem, she live over there, and she called the police today, and she had problem with him today.
Today?
Yeah, and he called him before, and I saw him when he go over there, and I called him. I say, hey, that's the problem. He go around over there.
Okay. Do you have a clothing description? Any other information on this male?
No, that I know last day.
Just that he's light skinned?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. And what's your name?
Hey.
Pues sí, estaba diciéndole yo a la gente que la información privada de uno tiene que mantenerla privada. Este oficial le llegó y le preguntó a la señora como si nada, nombre, segundo nombre, fecha de nacimiento y todo.
I took a picture of him.
You took a picture of him?
Yeah, because I didn't know if I was to run over there and do that. That's it.
Yeah, he working in Amazon. In Amazon, he working in Amazon.
Look at him right there, and you could tell by his body language. He kept going like this to make sure.
Yeah, he is.
And he was the one I seen earlier.
Yeah,
like after the gunshots, I was standing at the window.
Yeah, he had problem with my niece. The same problem.
So you think that's the guy?
Earlier, we had the gunshot. Oh my God, what are you doing? I'm scared. Okay, but earlier, after the gunshots, I live right there, and I went to the window, and he had said something in Spanish, and I started laughing.
Okay.
And then he went inside one.
Claro, porque yo estoy hablando con la policía, porque él es que tiene la arma. Ella tiene que ir
Wait,
donde está
I
ella.
can't. ¿Usted me está grabando?
Sí,
¿Por qué?
yo estoy en Facebook Live.
Oh, no, yo le doy
A la policía.
No importa, yo estoy
Okay.
estoy en el sidewalk, esto es público.
I'm sorry. I don't like him recording me. But just tell me.
I'm recording live. You're already recorded, so it doesn't matter
I
now.
don't want you to record me.
Well, you're in public sidewalk. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm just gonna give you this email. If you contact me through the email and send me
Okay.
all your information, okay?
Thank you.
And I'll come back with you when you're through. Okay? I'm gonna go to the streets if there's any cameras, okay?
Yo estoy en área pública. Yo puedo grabar lo que yo quiera. No importa. Puede ser una bebé de meses. If you're in public, you're subject to be recorded. You have no expectation of privacy in public. Go inside. If you want to be recorded, go inside your house. All right, guys. This is the problem with the ignorant citizens that come in public pretending to own the streets. How you doing, man?
Another day.
Another day in paradise, huh?
When you came in, like, Saul's here already. You didn't see anybody running around.
I always cheat when somebody called me and said, like, "Yo, you better get over here because there's a."
So when you were coming up Church Street, you didn't see anybody running around
No,
past or anything
no.
like that? All right. Thanks.
So it's the everyday life, guys, in Hazleton, and I guess people. If this young lady, she's a minor. She can be all minor she wants. If she's in public, she's subject to be recorded. All these buildings, all these houses, they have cameras. And people record. We have police of Hazleton. Estamos. Hazleton starting to get like Philadelphia. Starting to get like Canton, New Jersey.
Go to that corner, please.
Why?
You should move to that corner, please.
Why?
Look at how I'm asking you. To that corner. This is a crime scene here.
Why? The tape is over there. The tape is over there. All right, guys, you see Babula.
You to go
Babula.
Come on, little boy. Come on.
Yeah, big boy.
Come on.
Yeah,
Come
Babula,
on,
the big
girl.
boy. I want to see somebody walking over there.
Come on.
And the other side.
Stand up. Come on. Over here. Thank you very much.
Yeah,
For
boy.
listening to me. Oh, let's go. Let's go.
Go ahead, push me.
I'm going to give you 5 seconds to get on that
Push me.
corner or you're going to get
Push me.
arrested.
Look, I'm in a public
Get on.
street.
No, you're in
I'm
the
in a
road.
public street,
I
boy.
want you to be right back over there on that curb.
Where's
Back on the curb. Back on the curb.
I want
Back
to
on the curb. Back on the curb.
Yo, you live on
Yeah, very
Facebook.
good. Thank
You live
you.
on
Have a good
Facebook, you
day.
pig.
Stay there.
You live
Stay
on
there.
Facebook, pig.
Stay there.
You live on
Stay
Facebook,
there.
pig. You are the biggest pig. Guys, this is Babula. Sergeant Joseph Babula. The big boy. The big boy.
You got no attorney here for that.
Yeah, I didn't get nothing from your attorney, bully.
Privacy Facebook.
Shut up. Shut up. Go back to work.
You know what?
Go back to work, you pig. Go back to work, you big bully. Cheer up. Yeah, you're a bitch. You're a little bitch. That's what you are. See, you like to be called a little bitch, right? You like to be called that. Nice. What? Yo, why you pale? Why you pale? Why you lost your color? Why you lost your color? Why you so nervous? Why you so nervous? Look, you have no color on your face. You have discolorated face. Are you mad? Are you mad? Are you my little boy? Look at you, look at you. You cannot handle this job, man. You need a real job. Go work at McDonald's. Go work at McDonald's. Go work at McDonald's. Yeah, bitch. You hear this guy? This officer? A sergeant calling a citizen a bitch.
Job. Leave me alone.
Yeah, leave me alone. You don't want to be left alone. You want attention, you got the attention.
side.
You want the attention, you got the attention.
That part, that's the Nosotros llamamos la policía.
Listen, we need to get out of here.
No.
Keep-
Hey, no.
Why you touching me? Why you touching
What
me?
is wrong with you?
Why you
Get away
touching
from
me?
here.
Why you touching
We're
me?
trying to conduct an investigation. Move over here. Over here. Come on. Over here. Come on. Come
Look,
on.
look.
You can't be here. Take them over there. Take them in.
Yes, take him over there.
Take them in.
Exactly, take him over there.
That thinks the whole world revolves
Take
around
him over there.
Nothing else.
Create privacy. Create privacy for the citizens.
Doesn't have a job.
Create privacy for the citizen. And then start barking orders that you're not allowed to bark. Get out of here, big boy. Yeah, little bitch. ¿Tú grabaste eso, verdad? ¿Estás grabando? Yeah. Sergeant Babula. The biggest tyrant of all. You guys saw that? You guys saw Joe Babula? I hope you guys watch this, and I hope you guys call the Hazleton City Police Department, and maybe, you know, let them know what this guy is doing. Let them know what this Sergeant Babula, the biggest pig of all, have. And I always say, only the stripes, guys. Just because these guys have stripes, they think that they can handle and they can do whatever the hell they want. If they want privacy for the citizens, they have to create the privacy. But this video, I hope you guys watch this video, and I hope you guys, you know, call the Hazleton City Department and let them know what you guys think about Mr. Joe Babula. But when we have a sergeant acting like this sergeant is acting right now, maybe he needs a nice and fat a 2-page, 3-page complaint, guys, because this is getting out of hand with this guy. This guy is really unhinged, and we don't allow this in our city of Hazleton. This guy needs to be reprimanded. This guy needs to be put a couple complaints out, because this is getting out of hand with Sergeant Babula. See, everything was normal until this pig decided to show up. There you go, Unit 3, guys. See, the thing is, the way this, I don't know how he got to sergeant position, guys. The way this guy is, I don't really understand what kind of mind this guy is in, because he is totally out of control, guys. I don't understand his problem. Now, if you guys see, this is not a crime scene, guys. This is not a crime scene. This is totally on a public street. I have the right to be there. Now, this guy came and pushed me all the way across the street, when I already talked to different officers right there at the same sidewalk, and I don't understand the legality of these guys' orders. But we're gonna address this issue, guys. I have the right to be here. I have the right to record. See, we have people recording, guys. This guy recorded when this sergeant came hands on me, because I'm in public. I'm in public street. Now, I don't understand why you have to create this issue, guys, because I'm peacefully exercising my First Amendment right to record. I don't have I shouldn't have a public servant doing what he just did. You know, this is, like I said before, this is starting to get way out of control. In Hazleton, we don't need a tyrant like this, getting paid by the tax dollars and treating the citizens the way he just did.
Like I said, I shortened the video. He was there for quite a little bit before this guy showed up. Nobody had a problem with him. They were actually coming up and asking him questions. And obviously people like her and this chick here, of course they don't want to be on camera. They're literally telling on somebody that just shot at somebody or shot somebody. And it doesn't matter if he's standing there with a camera or not. Everybody's going to know what they were doing because there's plenty of people there. If these officers really cared about public safety and the public, they'd be taking these people to go talk in private. But as we know, these psychos don't care about anybody's safety but their own. And they don't care about anything but making their job as easy as it can be. Why would we take these people somewhere private so nobody knows what's going on or what they're saying when we could talk to them right here on the road and get it done with right now? They don't care about anything other than what is easiest for them, and it's pathetic. And it's funny how he's the quote-unquote supervisor, and he shows up, but he's the only one there causing the scene, acting like a complete retard, screaming and yelling and swearing over what? Nothing. Calls him a bitch right here. For what? Why did he make him go across the street? We know that's not a crime scene where he was standing. We know what the tape is for. Like, they might think we're that retarded that we wouldn't know what crime scene tape is for, but we do. And all this interaction did was prove how unfit he was. What was he whining about his lawyer contacting this dude for? What would your lawyer possibly have to say to this guy doing nothing wrong? And then he whines about some Facebook privacy stuff. Is he whining about being in another video or what? Because we know it can't be anything to do with that. Obviously, he's a public servant being filmed in the course of his duties, which is completely legal. This dude just proved how unfit he is, emotionally and physically. Like, who's he going to chase down? Who's he going to stop? Nobody. And here he said, I'm just trying to do my job. No, you're not. If you're trying to do your job, you would have showed up and just tried to do your job. You wouldn't have showed up, ran down to the camera guy, lied to his face, pushed him across the street for no reason, and then screamed and swore at him for no reason. That's not doing your job. You clearly don't even understand what your job is if that's what you're saying. And it was almost like he came over here just to create a situation. Why is he telling him to hold off? Oh, so he could immediately start yelling at this guy like he's actually doing something wrong when he's not. And then calling him like a dog. What is wrong with this dude? You may be able to talk to your wife and your kids like that, but not everybody else, dude. And then he truly said, oh, we got one person that thinks the whole world revolves around them. Coming from this clown. The whole world has to stop because they're doing an investigation in public. Coming from the guys that arrest people for simply talking while a traffic stop's going on or filming a traffic stop. I think they're the ones that believe the whole world revolves around them and their job's so dangerous and their job's so important, nobody can do anything. Mumbles something about a job, not having a job. Dude, what's it matter if he has a job or not? What's that have to do with you? Absolutely nothing. At least he's not posing for a job that he doesn't even do or know correctly, stealing money from the people that he works for. And look at all the cops there. Not one cop stood up and said anything. And people go, oh, well, they can't stand up to their supervisor. It doesn't matter if it was a supervisor or the newest guy there. They wouldn't say a thing. They would back him, if anything, because that's what they do. And this is why people say there are no good cops, because the quote-unquote good cops just stand around and watch these idiots. They may not be the ones doing it to you, but they're also not the ones stopping it. But let me know what you guys think about this loser. Let me know if you think he's fit for duty. But let me know what you guys think about this loser. Let me know if you think he's fit for duty. Go check out Not the End of Freedom. Go check out his channel. Go show him some love. All the information will be in the description. And I will see you guys on the next one.